Union Minister Prahlad Joshi shed light on renewable capacity of India. He further added that India achieved installed capacity goal ahead of its target. My colleague Anurag Joshi caught up with him. Let's have a look at that excerpt.
There is no plan. It is our firm decision that RPO obligation will be implemented as per the schedule.
So the government has a target of 35 trillion rupees to invest in the renewable sector by 2030. What will be your messaging to the private equity and venture capital industry for investment?
In detail, I have told that this will be the quite wise decision to invest in this, because one is this is affordable as far as cost per unit is concerned. And second thing, the major part of the world wherever we export in future, may it be steel, may it be cement, or may it be anything from India to any other part of the world, the majority of the country, they are thinking of carbon tax. So for that purpose also we need energy, and requirement of energy is more in the country also. It is going to be doubled.
So the government has now achieved 50% installed capacity.
We have achieved it.
Yeah. So for the remaining 50%, what is your roadmap? What will be the
50% for 2030, that was the target. Now we have achieved well in advance, ahead of 5 years. And further also under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, by 2047, whatever we need to achieve, that we are going to achieve it. And 2070 net zero, towards that also we are planning, and we are working out well. I am quite confident.
That's the word.